What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to our trading channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you guys an update on a strategy we once talked about, but this time we're going to advance it, we're going to improve it. Like I said, we always improve our strategies, we always play around with our strategies because the market that we are participating in is a dynamic market. Therefore, we always have to be dynamic. Of course, there are principles that always get respect, but there are things that change in the market and we can also improve on our trades. So if you watched the videos I posted a couple of days ago, you will see a strategy that is similar to this one that I want to share with you guys, except that it has a different approach to the market. It's a little bit different. We did add a lot of price action more into the strategy so that it's more accurate, but I'll try and leave the link to the first video on a strategy similar to this, but I'll add more settings to the previous strategy. So this is what we want to do today. We'll also do the step-by-step process of installing and updating this strategy, and then we'll talk about the new conditions on how to take a trade using it and how to approach the market using it. Okay, if you're new to this channel and you don't know what exactly is happening, basically I teach you guys, or I try and share with you guys different strategies that you can try out in the market and trade, especially on boom and crash indices. I'm trying to explore more on that because it's not really out there, but it is really good to be participating in the boom and crash market. So let's do the step-by-step process. I'll remove all the indicators that I have right here on my screen so that we can actually work together in adding this strategy. So let me quickly remove all the indicators, and as you can see, I have a blank chart right now on boom 500. We're mostly going to be using our 1 minute time frame because we're going to try and scalp. So this strategy, this is the boom and crash strategy that works for both spike catching and scalping, which means you can go against the spikes and as well catch spikes using this strategy. Okay, I'll really try and make this video short for you guys so that you spend more time on your charts. This is where I want you guys to first practice this strategy on your demo accounts before moving on to a real account. So once you're comfortable with how this strategy works, once you understand each and every part of it, then you can then start trading it on your real accounts. Okay, so the first indicator that we want to add is a moving average. And so I just went to my indicator section on our main window. I'm going to look for the moving average, which is right here, and this moving average is going to have the following properties: a period of 60, a shift of 0, a method of linear weighted, apply to close, and then on the time frame, this should appear on all time frames. Okay, and then on the style, I chose the color purple. You can pick any color of your choice. So this is the addition to the previous settings that we had on our last video. So go check it out as well when you're done watching this and see what improved and what changed. Okay, and then if you click down, we should have a purple line running across our charts, and we do, which means that we have successfully installed the first indicator. The next indicator is the most common indicator, also one of the top indicators that we have, the relative strength index, or the RSI, as you guys know it already. It has the following properties: period of 1, apply to close, and the levels, guys, please take note of this. We're going to have a level 70 and a level 30. Okay, and the styling of this RSI is going to be white. I don't want any lines to appear on it, so I'll try and have the same color as my background. So if you have a black background, make sure your RSI is black. If you have a white one, make sure it's white. If you have any other color, then make sure you choose that as well. So if I click done, what I will have on my indicator one is the RSI just showing me the levels that I need. That's level 30 and level 70. These are going to be crucial when we are trying to find an entry point. Okay, moving on, we're going to add another indicator, the final indicator. and we want it to fall under our indicator window 1. So I'll click where it says indicator window 1, and I'm going to look for the Ichimoku, which is right here. And this Ichimoku is going to have the following properties. It's going to have a Tenkan Sen of 12, a Kijun Sen of 0, because I want it to be following price. So I'll show you what that means. A span B of 45, and my Tenkan Sen, my Kijun Sen, and my span should have the same color as my background color. So they're all white because I have a white background, because I don't want them to appear on my charts. What I want is the up Kumo and the down Kumo to appear on my charts, and my up Kumo is green, my down Kumo is red. Okay, and I'll click done. And one thing that I want you guys to notice is my price. Where my price is exactly where my Ichimoku is. So this Ichimoku is following my price like directly, which is good. This is what we want. Okay, we don't want it to be lagging, or we don't want it to be ahead, but we want it to be moving in real time with our price. That's what the 0 represented. Okay, now of course you guys want to know when to buy and when to sell, but before we discuss that, please make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post videos like this. Whenever I do a strategy update like this, you will not miss any of that. Remember, trading is very delicate. You really have to work with the correct information in order to succeed. And if you want to participate in our current promotion, or whereby I'll add you to my free seminars class where I'm teaching these strategies in depth, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you have learned during this video. Okay, and you can send me that screenshot showing that you have subscribed, liked, and commented. You can send it to my WhatsApp number. I'll leave the link to my WhatsApp number in the description box below. It's in our Telegram channel, and that Telegram channel is completely free to join again, but it's the safest place for me to have my number. Okay, so check that promotion if you are interested. Let's get back to business. How do you trade with this strategy? It's a very simple concept, very simple things that we need. Here's what you need, or here is what should happen. If you want to enter in a trade, I'll start off with explaining a sell trade that I actually see here, which was good. How do you enter into a sell trade? Number one, you want to first see a bullish cloud or a green cloud crossing our level 70 to be above, and then you want to see it having a color change to red, from green to red. So remember those colors that I was specifying on. Now this is where it applies. So you want to see a green cloud approaching your level 70. That's your bullish momentum reaching to your extreme or your overbought section, right? And it should change color to a red cloud. And the moment it changes color to a red cloud, I want you guys to check out on your main chart. If your price or a candlesticks have crossed to be below that moving average, then you are ready to enter into a sell trade. And these sell trades are really going to be long. You can actually swing trade with this strategy. You can actually swing trade with this strategy. That is, you can hold for as long as a swing trader. Okay, so it's a simple strategy. The clouds should change color. Let's take a look at a buy situation. A buy situation will be when a red cloud approaches your over sold section and then changes color to green, showing that while it's under the level 30, showing that you're now getting into a bullish momentum. And then you also check for price to cross to be above our purple line, and that shows a bullish confirmation. And in that way, you can actually enter into a trade. So this works for both boom and crash. On all boom and crash indices that we have, your 300, your 500, your 1000. So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. You just need clouds to approach, check the color, check the color change as well, check what price is done on your moving average? Has it crossed, or is it below or above your EMA 60? By the way, exponential moving average of period 60 is your trend line. This is your trend line. It actually acts as a trend. The EMA 50 or the EMA 60 can both be interchanged and used as the trend. This is why we really care about whether the price is above our line or below our line. Are the candlesticks above our line or below our line? Because our EMA 60 is the one that caters for our trend, or that represents our trend. So I won't make this video too long. I hope you guys really understood the part where I explained and added. I want you guys to go check out the previous video where I talked about this strategy and see the differences and try and implement these strategies together. Okay, if you're interested in our account management program, which is a program whereby we trade your account on behalf and split the profit, feel free to contact me. Like I said, my WhatsApp number is in our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below, and you guys can check it out easily. Until next time.